Happy Teardown Thursday. Today we're talking about a company that I've actually been talking a lot about in the last couple of weeks, analyzing their lead magnet to help you with strategies on how to get more leads and more customers for your business. The company that I'll be talking about today is Kit, and we are going to look at Kit University and see exactly how these free courses and workshops drive more signups for Kit so they can actually drive more sales in the long term. So if you're interested in anything like this for your business, make sure to drop me a comment so that way I can check out your lead magnets, your funnel, and everything else, and let you know what's working, what's not, how you can change things up if you need be. And if you like these type of videos, make sure that you like the channel, subscribe. So let's go ahead and get into Kit University. This one actually took me a little bit of time to actually find, even though I've been a Kit user for years. But now that Magnetify is in the Kit marketplace, I've been doing a little bit more research and I came across this one, and I really thought that this would be an interesting lead magnet teardown, something that you can actually implement into your business. All right, as I mentioned earlier, this one was something I actually had to dig for. And since I'm now in the Kit ecosystem a little bit more than just a user, I decided this week's lead magnet teardown was going to be on Kit and their online courses. So, their online courses for creators to actually learn how to use Kit for their email marketing. I think this is absolutely genius. If you've seen any of my lead magnet teardowns, you're probably starting to see a trend between a lot of these big SaaS companies and how they are getting more leads for their business. So let's go ahead and take a look at this page here. We have kit.com backslash or forward slash training. And what we can see is get strategies and motivation to grow your creator business. And so this page specifically has workshops and technical tutorials to actually help users. So it's very interesting that they not only have courses, but they have workshops as well. And they also have information so you can go to their YouTube channel and learn how to use Kit specifically. So this was the first page I came across, but I had to, do a little bit more research and a little bit more digging to find another page. And I'll show you that here in just a second. But I wanted to show you what this looks like when you actually click on one of these buttons here. So as you can see, you are getting instant access to this workshop. You can stream it, and it had information, I guess, about the event details when it was live, but now these are all replays. So going back to this page, I want to show you the actual courses. And so we have a couple of different options here: newsletters for creators, starting an online business, growing your income. I'm assuming these courses are all about how to do everything above with Kit, and that's a genius move. So let's go ahead and take a look at a course. And as you can see, it's very detailed. So this is wonderful. So very detailed as far as how many modules and how many lessons are in here. And then if you actually wanted to start the course, I believe this is where we have a gated access. Yes. So right here, if you want to start the course, you actually need to be a Kit subscriber yourself in order to use the Kit course or Kit Creator University and to view the courses and workshops. So here is another page actually. So we actually have Creator University here. And as you can see, it has information. This is just giving you a little bit of an overview of Kit University. And then here are 4 courses here that you can actually start. So you can learn a bit about how to actually use Kit for your business. So this is another gated strategy specifically for a SaaS company. If you have a SaaS company, you need to be taking notes because I've been doing a lot of lead magnet teardowns on this gated content. So in Kit's case, these are courses and workshops. In Shopify's case, it was a business name generator. So there are so many different options on how you can actually implement this for your business. So let's see what exactly Kit's doing right, how you can implement this in your business, the things that you can actually take away from this, okay? So, why this actually works? This works really well because we have the double value positioning. So, this combines strategic business growth with tactical technical skills all in one. So, it's not just all about, oh, this is how you use Kit. This is about something greater than that. This is about how you grow your business, how you grow your newsletter, in addition to learning how to do it with Kit. So we have gated exclusivity. I've talked about this previous lead magnet teardowns. So making sure that you have a Kit account creates a sense of premium access while simultaneously building their user base. And next would be creator specific focus. So Kit is based and they are targeting creators. So this is tailored specifically for the creator economy rather than generic business advice. And it makes it highly relevant to their subscribers and their target audience. Last but not least, we have on-demand convenience. So this allows users to consume content at their own pace and revisit specific topics as needed. Okay, so what exactly can you steal for your business in order to get more leads? So you can take gating your best content behind account creation. This builds your email list while creating perceived premium value. You can also bundle strategic plus tactical content like Kit has done here. So they are not only telling you how to use the platform itself, but they are actually encompassing that on how to actually grow your business. Next would be create category specific resources. So for creators, as far as Kit is concerned, is more compelling than for businesses. So make sure that when you have a lead magnet that you are specifically targeting an audience and not making it so broad. All right, so the numbers. I like to find numbers when I can and tell you guys about them. So obviously I don't have any numbers on how many people have actually signed up to use Kit through these specific courses at Creator University, but I do know that Kit has over 600,000 users, and that is a lot of users and a lot of people that have access to using these courses. So it doesn't matter if they are paid or subscribe to a paid plan. They have over 6,000 users. So therefore, that's a lot that have probably actually been in Creator University, or if they have not been in Creator University, if they're not in that 600,000, then you are bringing more people in because they are curious to know, okay, how does this work? How can I build my business, and how is Kit going to help me? So I can see how that would drive more subscriptions for the actual service that they provide at Kit. Okay, so the bottom line. So Kit leverages their existing user base and creator focused positioning to turn educational content into a lead generation machine. The gated approach ensures every person accessing their best training content is also in their ecosystem, creating a seamless funnel from education to paid platform usage. Okay, so this was this week's lead magnet teardown. Let me know down below if you have learned something new, if you are thinking about employing this strategy for your business, and I'll see you in the next video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video with others if you enjoyed it. Thank you.